Hi guys, it's me Toshko Raychev, and today I want to show you what could be accomplished with a small account if you are really concentrated in your trading and by scalping the market. So what this means, scalping the market means trading high volume trading, taking more trades more often with smaller profits, not riding the trend as normal swing trading and so on, right? Because when you have a small trading account, you simply can't allow yourself to trade like swing traders, like these traders that take 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio and so on trades. It's simply impossible because you won't build up your trading account fast. When you have a small account, you should scalp. That's the reality. Everyone could tell you fairy tales, but that's the real truth. So anyway, back to what I wanted to show you. So as you can see, on 2nd of July, I deposited $1,000 from my money in this account, right? You can see. And then I started trading, took a bunch of trades over here. This is my trading platform, as you can see. So it's live, it's not manipulated, it's not demo because it says deposit, as you can see over here, my money, right? Not just saying I made this and this without proofs. That's the idea. I want to prove you that you can as well. And then at the end, on 11th, I already had over 29,000 in my account, as you can see. So it's probably around 2,800% gain in less than 10 days. All right, so now I will save this as a detailed report so we can see really what is going on. So as you can see, it opens up this file, the detailed statement file in your browser for me over here, and you can see so my account, my name, when it was generated just now while we are recording this video, the deposit over here, you see it's really important. This means that you deposited real money. It's not demo account. $1,000. So I made a bunch of trades. As you can see, small profits, but they add up. Of course, that's how you grow your small account. At the end, you can see over here, so deposit, the deposit rate profits, as you can see, over 28,000. The balance over 29. Pre-margin, as you can see, so over here is a graph of the gains on this account. Then you can see gross profit, all the info over here. Basically, profit factor. Basically, you shouldn't care about these things as long as you make money. That's the most important thing. So we are trading because we want to make money, not to prove that we have amazing drawdowns or profit factors and blah, 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 right? Sorry, but that's it. So as you can see, the maximum drawdown for me was 7.58%. This is live account. See, that's the reality. It's not fancy. It can't be zero. Relative drawdown, $545.33. Trades in total. So I made 104 trades during this period for these 9 days, I think. Short positions won 86% of them. Profit trades 91.35%. So basically, this is my profit percent. 91 times I was right when I took these trades. So you see, this is really important. This is another thing. A lot of people are saying it's gambling, it's probability, blah blah blah. Well, sorry, but otherwise, why I need some system or strategy to trade if it's probability? I will just click buy and you play this throwing a coin game. So it's not like this. You should be sure when you're taking a trade that it will go in your direction. If something goes wrong, yeah, but you should be sure, that your system works. So that's why I have this high percent of winners, right? That's how, because I'm really picking my trades. I'm not just drawing a coin, buying here because something that some fairy tale told me. Then lost trades, as you can see, I have 9 of them, so almost 9%. All So the info you can see over here. So consecutive wins, consecutive losses, and so on and so forth. So it's accomplishable. That was my idea to show you, and that's why I generated this detailed report from my live account to prove that it's real, of course, not that I'm showing some demo account and talking nonsenses, right? You can start with small account, you can gain it and build it up. Yes, it's demanding, of course, it requires a lot of attention, a lot of concentration. When you're scalping the market, you can't just click buy and sell. You should be really careful what you're doing because you're risking more, of course, right? You can see I started with, when I had $1,000, I started with 0.2 watt size. Then as the account grew up, I increased the watt size, as you can see, manage the watt size sometimes because the market wasn't behaving properly, like it's going sideways or something. Then again, you see at the end, I traded with 2 full watts. So that's how you manage and how you grow up a small account, by scalping the market, not trying to ride the market, right? Because riding the market is for big accounts with big amount of money inside. All right, so that's it from me. That's what I wanted to show you and to inspire you. Hope that it will give you this push to get your determination back and start to be successful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.